Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 42 Outrages. 42 has been an extremely popular boat for us. This is the largest boat that Whaler produces right now. And what we'll do, we'll kind of start in the front of the boat. As you can see, you've got your massive anchor right here. This one also has the optional tow here, so some of your larger motor yachts and things like that may use this boat as a tender. Your AccuTrack Cold Deep V big reverse chines. As you can see, we've got windows along the side. When we get in the cabin, you're going to see all of the space that creates. So right here, hard top, huge hard top, plenty of coverage from the sun and the elements, fully enclosed on your helm area and cockpit AC. This one also has, of course, your radar, GPS, bottom machine, and night vision FLIR from Ray Marine. Plenty of room for rod holders. This boat has been an excellent boat for family entertaining, a lot of friends, and definitely for fishing. But a lot of people that buy these, you know, fish a little bit of the time, but mostly they just enjoy a very safe boat with a very excellent ride. So this particular one is powered with the big 350 Verados. Now these are joystick docking. These motors will work with and against each other for docking the boat. You can walk it totally sideways. Also incorporated that is going to be your autopilot and skyhook, which we'll get into in a second. So on the back, tons of rod holders. So depending on where you're mooring the boat, it makes it very easy to get in the boat right here, or if you happen to catch a huge marlin, you can pull those in, but also for divers, very, very nice to have that. In the back, as you can see, a huge beam to the boat. This is actually your ladder that goes there. This rolls out right here, so if you're doing some entertaining, plenty of seating all the way around. Between the hull and the deck, it's all closed cell foam, so everything's naturally insulated as far as your fish boxes are concerned. So you can put ice in there and it's just like a cooler. So as you can see, lots and lots of room down here. The rigging is excellent. Batteries are easy to get to. Generators easy to get to. It does have a sound shield. Very, very quiet. And our techs like working on this because there's plenty of room in there to do what you need to do. On each side, you've got recessed rod racks on this side right here. And I also like the heavy duty stainless all the way around for the hose pipes for right here as well. And this is kind of a cool feature too. So what you do, you roll this down right here. This pops up. So we talked about entertaining before. We get pretty much room for everything, dedicated storage. This is another recirculating bait well, so you've got one in the stern. You also have one right here. And you also have your stove. You've got to have your refrigerator right here, and that's pretty cool. You can actually see your bait and stuff in there, and lots of storage in your drawers. If you're not using it, 2 seconds, just drops right down. Then we put this back up. So when you're running, you have air conditioning at the helm. You also have air conditioning for your passengers back here, so you can sit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, possibly 8 very comfortably. Lots of shade with your hardtop. And here at the helm, the big giant Ray Marine 16-inch screens. This one's also going to have your active trim suspension. Active trim, not suspension, but that is going to adjust your motors accordingly to give you maximum performance. You also have automatic trim tabs. Does the same thing. We talked before a little bit about your skyhook. So if we're waiting for a bridge or something like that, push skyhook, it'll keep the boat in that position. But very good visibility all the way around, a lot of protection from your elements. So we walk to the bow here, as you can see, very deep, very safe. You've got grab rails all the way around. This one also has an excellent, excellent sound system, subwoofers, amps, and windlass up front. This is removable. You can have that up or down if you like to. There's also a filler cushion that goes in there. This is kind of what I call the trunk right here. So this is all the canvas that comes with the boat. But as you can see, once you close it here, very, very comfortable. So a lot of people, you know, that want to get some sun, whatever, when you're underway, very, very safe to ride up here. So let's go back this way, which is one of my favorite parts of the boat. It's going to be the cabin. So when you go down inside here, you've get beautiful woodwork all the way around. The natural lighting we talked about on the sides. Natural lighting over here. Natural lighting right here. You can sleep fairly comfortably inside here. Everything's easy on the main distribution as far as your 110 volt, 12 volt systems. Fully enclosed head. Probably 6.5 foot headroom inside there. And you get a nice sized galley as well with your TV. So the cabin is very, very well laid out. We'll go back out here. Very comfortable helm. The seats do go fore and aft. So this is kind of a quick rundown on the boat. We kind of hit the highlights. So if you like any additional information, feel free to give us a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw, MarineMax in Venice. The number here at MarineMax is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon.